So I think this is the place. Uh-oh. Right here. Is that the guard dogs? What kind of dog is it? Oh man, those are good dogs. So, can we go in and look at it?
Well, sure, you can do what you want.
Okay. All right. Wow. See, it's got the dust on it. You know what? Hey, Blair. You know what it actually looks like? It looks like it's been rewired. Look at this. It says Buick Dynaflash. This is, I mean,
straight out of Pixar.
I can't even, exactly, I can't even say when I remember. Yeah. This is when people made things with class, you know?
Well, they were tearing down the shop in McCain's.
Yep, McCain's, Tennessee.
Yeah, and that was about, in the 90s.
Wow.
And my dad he's familiar with all the people down that way. So we found the old Buick that was in the shop. It's 38 Buick.
Yeah, it's 38.
And,
I couldn't remember if it was 38 or 39.
And he and I decided we were going to buy it together.
That project.
And, yeah, give us something to do.
Didn't he tell me that he passed away?
He passed away about 3 years ago. He was 88.
Wow.
He loved this old car. In fact, I told him back then, I said, let's just sell it.
Be tag on behind that bus.
No, he won't sell it. He said, you take it.
Well,
so I brought it over here, and this is as far as we got.
Well, we're planning on taking it and getting it running, get the brakes working, and get it where you can, you know, tool around on it.
Right, right. That'd be great. I'd love to see it.
But, and I brought plenty of help.
You did?
Yeah, I got.
They could,
SWAT team.
They could pick it up and look at these guys.
Yeah, this is what we call the sawdust SWAT team.
Okay.
So, look at
You see that?
See, that's Art Deco.
Yeah.
You know.
I'd make Red a good necklace.
Yeah. Get everything. But yeah, this is something here. You know what's crazy? Is there's people on the internet and they sell in a bucket. It's called barn dust. Have you seen that? They sell buckets of barn dust, and you take this barn dust and throw it on a car, and it makes the car look like it's been setting for 30, 40 years. You know, but this car has been setting. I mean,
That's real barn dust.
yeah, this is the real
Not
barn
on
dust.
eBay. You didn't buy
Right.
that barn dust on
Yeah,
eBay.
this isn't eBay barn dust. This is real.
That's original. There's the old.
Wow. That is original.
Yeah.
Look at that. Things you will want to know about its operation and care.
And then here's the shop manual.
Yep.
I won't charge you any extra for it.
Okay. Well, I appreciate that.
Since you said it was important.
See, this is what happens if you don't change the oil.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this and put this up so nothing happened to it.
I don't see very much rust on it. Doesn't really look like it's ever.
It's been inside as long as we've had it. We've had it probably 25 years. So it's either been in his shop or been in here. Well, we were gonna fix it up. That's our plan, was to fix it up, but it just didn't work out that way.
Here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This thing rolls good, don't it?
Yeah.
Here comes the Bonnie Clyde, though.
This is too cool.
So we're getting the car all loaded up. We're securing the doors so they don't blow open on the way home. We want to secure everything, the hood, anything that might blow off, we want to secure it. Looks pretty good to be almost 100 years old. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Here, let me get. Hey, you think this car had a backup camera? That'd have been somebody back here looking out. Okay, okay.
One of your children.
Yeah, this is actually a true barn find. And, you know, this is the real deal here. I guess we got everything loaded up. So we need to go find us a good restaurant.
Oh man, I'm all for that.
I know you were.
I think
You ain't never worked so hard in your life.
I'm telling you.
Isn't that something? That's kind of odd, you know? To have the car, not realizing the car has been sitting right next to this cemetery that's been here since the 1800s. I mean, wow. Maybe they were protecting the car. We got the car loaded up. We're gonna secure everything. I'm gonna make sure nothing's gonna blow off. I see some stainless. Right now we're gonna get the car back to the garage and kind of just go over it, give it the little once over, and then we're gonna start on getting it running. And I want to thank you for calling me, you know, and give me the opportunity to, because this is the kind of stuff that we like to do. A lot of the guys would cut it up and make a rat rod.
Right.
I want to put it back. I want to get it going and leave it alone.
Yeah.
You know, and
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
so we'll. It's going to take a little time, but I think we'll pull it off.
You don't think you'll have it going today?
No, because my stomach, my backbone's starting to nip at my belt buckle, so I need to find a restaurant. And
I need one of those T-shirts.
yeah, hey, when you come out, I got one for you. Yep.